Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. All right, so I want to remind you what these mysterious logarithms are. They're just the exponent. In the equation, for example, in the equation b to the y equals x, which is an exponential equation, so it's in exponential form, the y is the logarithm. So when I say y equals log base b of x, I'm really saying y is the power you raise b to get x. That's how I like to read it. Y is the power you raise b to get x. Okay, so when I look at this, I'm thinking, okay, y is whatever power I need to raise b to get x. So one example of a question I might ask you is to rewrite log base 5 of 25 equals 2 in exponential form. So it's basically interpreting this, right? Because what is this saying? This is saying 5 to what power equals 25, and it's telling you the answer to that question is 2. 5 to the second power equals 25. You need to be able to be very comfortable going back and forth between logarithmic and exponential form. You also need to be able to simplify or evaluate expressions with logarithms in them. It's the same idea, right? What is this saying? This is asking us a question. It's asking us what, very good. What power do you raise 3 to get 9? What's the answer to that question? The power 2. Very good. An example that you might see on a test, write the equation in logarithmic form. So now we're going back the other direction. So we have an exponential form. We want to find the correct logarithmic form. Y equals, how do we read that in words? Log base b of x. I find that, if I remember that, it's a great clue because I say base b, right? So in the exponential expression, what is the base? That's right, the base is 2. 2. So we are talking about, I don't know where the other things go yet, we'll worry about that in a moment, but we're talking about a base of 2. So we know it has to be a 2 down in the bottom of the log, so it's definitely not that one. Okay. Now we're asking the question, 2 to what power gives us 1/16, right? So 2 to what power gives us 1/16? The negative 4th power. What the log is equal to is always going to be the power. This is always going to be the base. And then whatever's left, that's your argument, 1/16. 2 to what power gives you 1/16? The negative 4th power. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to like it.